matcha white chocolate brownies using our Bakersfield white chocolate. So let's start. Using our Bakersfield white chocolate bar, we are going to chop this one into smaller cubes because ang gagawin natin is that we are going to do a bain-marie procedure and we are going to melt this one. Remember that we need 1/2 cup for this white chocolate compound. After measuring, place it in our bain-marie. Slowly melt our white chocolate until melted and then prepare your next ingredients. For the next ingredients, we have your melted butter and your matcha powder, okay? Mix all of the ingredients until well incorporated. So for this one, just make sure na wala ng buo-buong white chocolate. After melting, let's set this aside. Next, we are going to add our granulated sugar and our brown sugar, okay? So add your sugars into the batter. Using a whisk, we are going to incorporate that into the mixture, okay? So after mixing, let's cool it down for around 2 to 3 minutes before adding the eggs. Okay, in bowl number 2, we are going to beat your eggs and then we are going to add our Bakersfield vanilla flavored. So vanilla flavored, this is one of the best vanilla in the market. Sobrang pure ng taste and French vanilla in essence, okay? So beat our eggs and vanilla together and then once the green tea batter is ready, we are going to incorporate now, okay? So this is our green tea and sugar mixture and then add your eggs. Beat it together until combine or mix together. If you can see, the steps is very similar to doing a brownie recipe. The only difference is that we are using a matcha powder instead of a cocoa powder. Okay, next let's prepare your dry ingredients. In a bowl, we are going to combine our all-purpose flour. Next, we have our baking powder and we have our salt. So these are pre-sifted, so no need to do a sifting procedure. Okay, next step, we are going to add our dry ingredients in the green tea batter. Okay, use this one using a wire whisk. Okay, so for this one, the batter will be heavy because the dry ingredients are already in. Just make sure na no lumps in the mixture. This is our consistency. Okay, next one, prepare your pan. This is a 10 by 10 brownie pan. Please shortening and parchment paper and then pour in our green tea brownie batter. Okay, so flatten this one using a spatula and you can also use a rectangular pan. For the rectangular pan, pwede kang gumamit ng 8 by 12 inches pan. Okay, next one, we are going to tap this one. Okay, and then we are going to add our toppings. For this one, we are going to use walnuts. The walnuts are pre-toasted. We toasted this one for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, next, place this one in the oven. Bake this one for 22 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's do the test. Toothpick in the center of the brownie. Okay, this is good. Next, bounce technique. Bounce the center and the side of the brownies. Okay, as you can see, this is already set. Chill this one for 2 to 3 hours before cutting. Okay, cut our brownie and this is the consistency of our matcha or green tea brownies. Okay, this is the top and the side of our brownies. So there you go guys. I hope itry nyo sa bahay because this recipe is sobrang sarap.